Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your cloud password in Telegram. If you've set up two-step verification, also known as cloud password, and want to turn it off, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to access your Telegram account without needing that extra layer of password protection, which can really streamline your experience, especially if you no longer need that extra security. Let's jump straight into the steps, but I'll walk you through each one to make sure you not only know what to do, but why we're doing it. First off, you'll need to open the Telegram app on your phone or computer. So go ahead and launch Telegram. Now, to get into your settings, look for those three lines in the corner or the little menu icon. It's usually at the top left of your screen. Tap or click on that and then scroll down to find the option labeled Settings. This is your central hub for tweaking how Telegram works for you. Once you're inside Settings, take a moment to spot Privacy and Security. This is where all the important controls for your account safety live. Tap on Privacy and Security. I recommend going slowly here so you don't accidentally tap something else. These menus can sometimes be a little dense, especially if you have multiple devices connected. Now, within Privacy and Security, you'll see a section called Two-Step Verification. Sometimes Telegram might call it your cloud password or just passcode. Either way, this is what's giving you that second layer of protection. Two-step verification is great for keeping your account extra safe. Think of it as locking your diary with both a key and a code. But sometimes, if you keep forgetting your passcode or you're worried about getting locked out, it makes sense to disable it. So tap into two-step verification. Here, where you'll need your current password, Telegram does this to make sure it's actually you making changes to such an important setting. So type in your existing cloud password. If you're pausing here to remember your password, don't worry, take your time. If you don't remember it, Telegram offers ways to recover your account or reset your password, but for this tutorial, we're assuming you know it. Once you're in, look for the option that says something like Disable Cloud Password, Turn Off Passcode, or a similar phrase. Select this option. Telegram might ask you to confirm your choice, typically with a little pop-up window. You'll see buttons that say Remove, Turn Off, or simply OK. Tap the appropriate button. This is a big moment, so if Telegram asks you to reconfirm, go ahead and do so, and that's it. Your cloud password or passcode is now turned off. From now on, when you log into Telegram, you won't need to enter that extra password. If you share your device with other people or you're concerned about privacy, just remember that you've removed one layer of protection, so use this feature thoughtfully. If any part of this process takes a moment, don't worry. It's totally normal for security settings to ask for a couple of confirmations and a password. Think of it as Telegram double-checking before it opens the door. I hope this helped you disable your Telegram cloud password quickly and confidently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I read them all and I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.